Benton from Team 5407, and this is how to use the lathe. So, first you want to place the material inside of the lathe. So, you want to use the key to close it. Place this key to the side and close. To turn it on, you need to press the on switch and then start moving up the speed after pressing start. We're going to use a speed of about 690. First thing you want to do is you want to approach the spinning object with the cutting edge. Once you're there, you want to move it so that it is on level from where you want to cut. Now you want to do this in incremental segments instead of all at once. So I'm just going to take off a small portion. Then you want to slowly move closer, and then right where you want. Then you can proceed to cut. One helpful tool is the auto move. The device will slowly move into position. Now, when using the auto function, you want to stop just before getting to the point you want to. You then want to slowly turn the wheel so that you manually cut that part, so you can get the precise cut. Lift it up and take it out. And you're all done. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to us on YouTube and follow us on the links below.